Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video, I bring some new and latest collection of autumn wreath ideas for my viewers. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will like this video or love this collection. Today in this video I bring some latest collection of different sort of wreath ideas for my viewers, as these are autumn wreath ideas that can be used to decorate your different evenings, parties or gatherings, and these can also be used for different sort of theme parties, as different sort of leaf wreaths can be made, as you can use these sort of wreaths in different Halloween theme parties. As you all can see in this video, these are some sort of wreaths that can be used with different rustic woods, and different sort of leaves can be combined together to form a autumn wreath, and these are some unique and latest ideas of wreaths that you can use to create these sort of ideas and decorate your hang on your front doors with these sort of wreath ideas. As in spring season, many people used to hang these sort of wreaths on their front doors or inside their houses, but mostly these ideas can be used on their front doors or hanged outside the house for some sort of welcome. You can write something on it, and different sort of burlap fabric can be used with different autumn wreaths. Different sort of flowers can also be used, like hydrangea flowers, different sort of colors or flowers can be used, and different leaves can be used in it, and different dried flowers can also be used for this purpose. I hope you will like this video, and I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some new ideas or collection for you. So if you have any request, do mention in the comment section. I will work on it to fulfill your request. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will work on it to fulfill your request and answer all your questions and queries. If you like this video, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and bring some new ideas or collection for you. Keep sharing this video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.